Me na Ghana rap duma me ye haino. I see some beauty in your beats, jayo taino. Me flow no where G. I use some different strategy. Me the rapper franyum pa me to me the rapper from pa. I go by the name 100% Negro, and I do all kind of music, like every genre. Don't ask me why, like reggae, dancehall, everything. I do it. So which one again we gonna go?
Even the food we go chop before.
Professionally, let's say since 2013, like I've been on some of the mainstreams and all those kind of stuff. So far so good. I think I'm doing great.
So I go on my knees and I pray to the Lord.
In Ghana, I think I'll go for Sako there.
On my knees and I pray to my Lord.
I'll be going for Burna Boy.
Father Lord, say we be born.
Maybe I'll be the first person bringing Grammy to Ghana, individually.
Father Lord, say we be boys. So we do what it things to be boys.
It's a rap song, and what motivated it most is I see people doing rap, but they are not making it. Like, they don't move me.
Growing up was the
Yeah. Ghana, what up? I go by the name Negro. Negro. Ready. Yeah.
Rasky made it.
Me the wino. Me na Ghana rap duma me ye haino. I see some beauty in your beats, jayo taino. Me flow no where G. I use some different strategy. Me the rapper franyum pa me to me the rapper from pa. Me nya bayira brewajo me no munse me to kakati. Me wo Yesu me wo Christ. Me a sha one point me wo price. Nyanse ni you are fooling twice. Want to me tia me so me nya doormat. My brain pass your format. I be one pen drive you can't format. Joe tiny drew. Me no matrani drew. Hey, Joe tiny drew. Me no matrani drew. I take my hand in my chest say the things I do no be sete. They say my flow be sweet. No baga chat straight. I the flow on the beat like boat on the lake. My flow no bang what the motor will lay. Banks on the beat, you wish to relate. Corner fede kese, me one time to sa pese. Wow, what a pretty girl come around me. My mindy window me, yeah. Rap with the dead knee. I go for the low. But I day for the high people, if not mid tempo, I day. If you love good music, then you are with me. If you love good music, you're in the right place. If you love good music, then you are with me. If you love good music, this be the head cutters. Say Ghana rapping Dumukra, I dey bring some different light. If your current meal no dey be you, I dey serve some different side. Man, I born as a street na me free, I dey face some different fight. Joe menta ke me nya be money pa na wa bribe me. Freestyle Nyamani is your favorite rapper, they give me. My parking me Lambo, my YouTube views be Rambo. Them they doubt to where from this boy she nam you. At the booto. You send Boto, Bunsami Boto, pay, Boto. Yeah. Like, this is about freestyle, and this is what I do every day. Like, I kill it, and I'm done. So, however you want it, I go by the name 100% Negro Banks. So, search me on every platform. You're gonna see me.